Hey guys, in this video we're going to be talking about how to fix the Kroger application not loading. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? So first things first, simply go ahead and try force restarting your Kroger application and reopening it. If that doesn't work, what you want to do is simply go ahead and clear cache and data. If you're on an Android device, you can simply head into settings and do it. If you're on iOS, all you need to do is simply go ahead and head into App Store, click on your profile icon on the top right, and then scroll a little, click on personalized recommendations and click on clear app usage data. Once you've done that, also try to go ahead and check for update when it comes to your Kroger application. So simply go ahead and search for Kroger. And if there is an update, there's going to be a little update button. Right now, as you can see, there's not. So the other thing you can go ahead and do is if you're using something like a VPN, go ahead and close those as well. And also try to restart your mobile device. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.